Alright, for this problem, we have a diagram right here. It's a pulley with a 10 kilogram mass and a 5 kilogram mass. We can say that the direction of the motion is going to go this way because this is heavier than that, obviously. Okay, now to get the acceleration, we say that F net is equal to the mass total times acceleration. And we're also going to look at this whole system as one instead of breaking it up. So F net equals mass total times acceleration. So the F net would be mg1 minus mg2 because this is aiding, that's opposing. So mg is going to be right here, and then mg2 is going to be subtracted from that. And that's going to equal to the mass total, so that's m1 plus m2 times acceleration. So to get acceleration, we're just going to divide here, that's going to cancel here, and that's going to equal to acceleration equals mg1 minus mg2 over the mass total, which is m1 plus m2. So all we got to do now is plug in the numbers, and we get acceleration equals 10 times 9.8, which is the gravity, minus 5, this mass, times gravity, which is 9.8, divided by the mass total, which is 15. Plug that into the calculator, we get the acceleration is equal to 3.27 meters per second squared. Now, to find the tension in each of the ropes, we can say that they're probably going to be the same, but let's plug it into the math. So T1 is going to be mg1 minus the acceleration of the mass acceleration, or ma. So now we have 10 times 9.8, which is the mass and the gravity multiplied, minus 10 times acceleration, and that's going to give us 65.3 newtons. Okay. I know I don't have the units here, but if you have them there, they will all give you newtons. It would be like kilograms over something like, it would be something like that. It would cancel out now, and things would just turn into newtons. Now for tension 2, which is this one, we would take the mg2 plus the ma2, and that would give us 5 times 9.8 plus 5 times acceleration, which is 65.3 newtons. The reason why we did the negative here is because it's coming this way, so it would just be minus the acceleration. We added here because we're going up, so it would be plus the acceleration. And that's how we find the acceleration of the system and the two tensions in the system.